Alright. Oh gosh, this is gonna be really weird. So, what's going on, guys? I haven't uploaded in like such a long time. This is gonna be really weird. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I'm not too sure. But like right now, about to go fishing and see what we can catch. Okay, I'm walking to the spot I'm gonna be fishing at, and this is like actually so weird. Like, I haven't even picked up this camera in like months, and I don't know, I was just really bored today. Didn't have anything to do, so I'm just like, might just come over here, see if I can get a video of me catching anything. I don't know, but all right, we're at the spot I want to fish at now. We're just gonna see what happens because I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this, so I'll set you guys up. You can watch me fish, and then we'll see what happens. If it's up, then obviously you'll see it because you're watching the video right now. Okay, we're about to move to a new spot because I cannot catch anything here. Like this spot I never have luck with anyway, but I don't know, it just looked good, that's why I went here. So we're gonna go across the pond now, and yeah, enough of me talking. Let's go. Oh, and if you guys are wondering what I'm using to fish with, I'm using this. I just got it not too long ago from Dick's. It's like $40. It's a Shakespeare Ugly Stick GX2. I'll make this my last cast, then I'll move somewhere else. At this point, I don't even care what I catch. I'll be happy with anything. There's a fish right there. There's little fishes. He's coming after it. I don't know if you guys can see that. What if I catch this minnow? Oh, no, he's swimming away. Goodbye. We're gonna catch something, I know it. Anything, just come on, just give me anything. Alright, so since that last shot, it's been like 45 minutes and I still haven't caught anything at all. I haven't even got any bites. So I'm gonna go ahead and head home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I haven't uploaded in a super long time, so like I said, hope you guys enjoyed. Might do something like this again. I have no idea. Just go down, comment some stuff you want to see. Maybe I'll get around to it.
Superstars, feeling like a pop star.
Until next time, see you guys later.
Drinking any bad bitches, jumping in the pool, and I ain't got on no bra.
I don't know what I'm doing. Bye.